Aquaponics is a sustainable food production system that combines aquaculture and hydroponics. In this video, we will provide an introduction to aquaponics and guide beginners through the basics of this innovative farming method. Aquaponics offers several advantages over traditional farming methods. It requires less water compared to soil-based agriculture, eliminates the need for synthetic fertilizers, and allows for year-round production. Furthermore, it enables the cultivation of both fish and vegetables in a symbiotic system, maximizing resource utilization. To set up an aquaponics system, you will need a fish tank, grow beds, and a water recirculation system. The fish tank houses aquatic animals, such as fish or prawns, whose waste provides nutrients for the plants. The water from the fish tank is then pumped into the grow beds, where the plants grow in a soilless medium. The plants filter the water, removing the organic waste, and the clean water is returned to the fish tank. The choice of fish and plants in aquaponics depends on several factors, including water temperature, pH levels, and personal preferences. Some popular fish species for aquaponics include tilapia, trout, and catfish, while common vegetables grown include lettuce, herbs, and tomatoes. It's essential to select species that are compatible with each other and suitable for the specific environmental conditions of your aquaponics system. Like any other farming system, aquaponics requires regular maintenance to ensure optimal performance. This involves monitoring water quality, checking pH levels, and feeding the fish. Additionally, it's crucial to address any issues that may arise, such as nutrient deficiencies, pest infestations, or equipment malfunctions. By staying proactive and following best practices, you can maintain a healthy and thriving aquaponics system. Aquaponics offers an exciting and sustainable approach to food production. With this beginner's guide, you now have a better understanding of the fundamentals of aquaponics. Whether you're interested in starting your own system or simply want to learn more, aquaponics has the potential to revolutionize the way we grow food in the future.